Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of FabFitFun's Summer box. Spoiler alert, it's not summer yet. But let's go ahead and dive in. I know I've looked at this, but I cannot remember one single thing that I got. Ooh, I can remember one thing. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first thing we got is stickers. $15 off your first FabFitFun box. There's a code. We got a booklet here. We'll just start at our top and work our way down. The first thing in here, if you didn't know this about me, I love pineapples. I do not like to eat pineapples or eat pineapple flavored things, but I love pineapples because of the show Psych. Look at my new decoration. It is a succulent that happens to look like a pineapple. I'm sorry, I got a little excited about that. But I love the TV show Psych, and their thing is pineapples, so I like to decorate with pineapples. This is like a pineapple shaped ice mold. I've also thought in the past to like use these to make like wedding mints, or you know those ones with like it's like powdered sugar and cream cheese and butter flavoring. I don't do mint flavoring, I like butter flavoring. But they are a little thick for them. I've used different ones, but I think you could make it work if you had the time. So this is real cute, and I love the color of it. So that's fun. Here is 14 free meals from HelloFresh. Oh, they're doing this thing differently, but where is the prices? How am I supposed to know what they cost? They don't put the prices in here anymore of what each individual thing cost. I don't like that at all. That's kind of infuriating in a way. Sorry, it is. Okay, so the pineapple ice cube trays was part of a set that you got. You could have chosen from 6 different things. I don't know, this is confusing. But the one I got a Seraphine Botanicals lip mask, which I really like. A Seraphine Botanicals, it's like a green apple something, mabob. And this is a fruit butter lip mask, so this will be nice beside the bed. I don't know how much it is. Okay, and then the other thing on this is a Barefoot Scientist. It's like one of those like cheese graters for your feet. I'm actually kind of excited about this because I need to take better care of my feet. So, okay, another thing, this was customization 5. And this is a Soar selfie ring light. I have always been tempted to buy one of these things that clips on your phone, but I could never convince myself to do it, or didn't know if I really needed it. I'll use it and take a selfie, but I don't know how much good it's going to do with, since I have like studio lights right now. I don't know if it'll give me a very accurate picture. So then you clip it on like this. It did okay. Okay, it has a brighter function, and even brighter. And then I don't know, why is it flashing? What does that do? Oh yeah, these pictures are terrible. Those need to be deleted immediately. I don't know what the flashing light is for. We'll go to customization number 3. I believe I would have gotten an add-on product, or like a, yeah, not add-on, but I guess it's kind of an add-on. We added an extra customized item, but I totally forgot to customize on time, and I had to make a choice because it said that extras were closed. And I was very sad because I really wanted that 12-ounce wine tumbler. I would not have used it for wine because it was so cute and so pretty. But instead I got the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. Now, whenever I got this, I thought this was the one that Jessica Braun really likes, and this is not that one. She has tried this now, but I'm really hoping this isn't that really greasy one, but I don't want to open it yet because I have other sunscreens that I need to use first. But I've tried a sample of one of theirs, and it was so greasy, and I really hope that this isn't it. That just happened. It just did it again. Oh my goodness. Not going in the box. I didn't notice this earlier. It fell on the floor. It says step into the sun. That'd be a little hot. Okay, and then customization number 4. You only had a few options. This was the Watermelon Burst Setting Spray from Ciate London, and I am a big watermelon fan. And what is this? I just finished up their coconut one. I hope this works a lot like their coconut one because it was amazing. Oh yeah. I get kind of like Jolly Rancher vibes from that, or crushed watermelon soda. If you've never had that before, I suggest you try it. It's like drinking a melted Jolly Rancher, and that it felt very refreshing on the skin. Let's see, I think I have 2 more things in here. This was from customization number 2, and this is from Ray Dunn. I don't have anything from Ray Dunn, so this is kind of fun, and I kind of want to put this in my, I don't have a hope chest, but it's kind of like a hope chest of things to, excuse me, I need to check something. I thought I heard something. I thought I heard a thud. But anyways, I want to use this for like things of the future. First of all, it comes with these little 2 serving spoons. They are, that was a terrible sound. This one says salsa, and this one says guac. Aren't those adorable? And then they came with their own little spoons to dish them out. This says Ray Dunn by Magenta. I don't know who Magenta is. Maybe that they always say that. But I know you can find a lot of Ray Dunn stuff at like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, those types of places. I've noticed in here a couple of these things that were on customizations are kind of some repeats. Like one of the other 2 other things actually that you could have gotten was the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. I know that's been on there before, but also it's a consumable, so it maybe by the time somebody finished it up that they needed it again, and you chose that as their item. And then also I have this. It's the Business and Pleasure Company cooler bag, that yellow striped one that kind of looked like a casserole warmer. So the last thing in here, right, last thing, is a tote bag. And I had to make a decision between this blue-green, I don't see any blue on this. This is green and green, 2 different shades of green, or the pink and red one. And I know I have a lot more pink and red in my collection of things, so I thought I would go in a different direction. But this is a neoprene bag, which would be good for beaching if you are near a beach or go to a beach. I do not go to a beach. But also like the swimming pool or something. If you go to a swimming pool, I do not go to swimming pools. You probably say, well, what do you do all day? Really have no idea. But this is a pretty good size to fit in if you like tote bags. The neoprene is kind of cool. I think it'd be easy to wash if you needed to. And it has like a magnetic thing right there. It's pretty strong. One of the other options was the PMD Clean and Teal. I'm fairly certain, maybe that came in Cosbox. Because I have 2. I think one of them must have came in Cosbox, and my first one that I got came in Boxy Luxe. So I was like, I didn't need a 3rd one. So that is everything in FabFitFun's Summer box. I know I'm working on my customizations for Cosbox's Summer box. And then it's not till fall, but you could get that in midsummer from FabFitFun because they are like so far ahead of the actual season. But I guess if you do it that way, then you can use the things for summer, or you could use the things for fall, not wait in the middle of fall and then use those things. Okay, I get it now. I ran it through my head. It's still just a little confusing to me. But I do like how FabFitFun and Cosbox usually are not, they don't come simultaneously. So like I can get one and then I'll wait for a little while and the next one comes. So it's like spread out and makes my heart happy. But I wish I could tell you everything, the value of this box, but I can't because they didn't put prices in it. So I don't know what that means. But thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and have a great day. Bye!